in the Park by LEONID AFREMOV. Special treatment version 3. We start the treatment with chili pearls that have been sprinkled on the red areas of the picture. So these are the chili pearls. Sprinkle them on the red areas. For version 2, we've got alexandrite. These are the blue crystals that you see right over here. Sprinkle them, position them on all of the blue areas. So you can choose which blue areas you'd like, but simply sprinkle it in those blue areas. And finally, for version 3, we've got labradorite that we have placed on the green areas of the picture, giving this image a really sparkly glitter.